Hi, everyone, I'm Sarah and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's often taken for granted, plants. But, did you know that plants have some pretty interesting facts that you may not be aware of? Let's get started. Fact number 1. Some plants can move on their own. That's right, they really can. This is called tropism, and it's when a plant moves in response to a stimulus, like light or gravity. For example, the Venus flytrap closes its leaves when an insect lands on it, and the sundew plant moves its leaves to capture insects. Fact number 2. Some plants can communicate. Just like animals, some plants can communicate with each other. They do this through chemical signals called volatile organic compounds, which are released into the air. For example, when a plant is under attack from pests, it will release a chemical signal that alerts nearby plants to prepare for a similar attack. Fact number 3. Some plants have medicinal properties. Many plants have medicinal properties that have been used for centuries to treat a variety of illnesses. For example, the aloe vera plant is known for its soothing properties and is often used to treat burns and other skin conditions, while the echinacea plant is known to boost the immune system. Fact number 4. Some plants are carnivorous. While most plants rely on photosynthesis to produce their own food, some plants have adapted to capture and consume insects and other small animals. These plants are called carnivorous plants, and they include the Venus flytrap, pitcher plants, and sundew plants. Fact number 5. Some plants can survive extreme conditions. Some plants have adapted to survive in extreme conditions, such as the cactus, which can survive in the desert, and the Venus flytrap, which can survive in wetlands. Fact number 6. Some plants can live for centuries. While most plants have a lifespan of several years, some plants can live for centuries. For example, the bristlecone pine, a species of tree found in the western United States, can live up to 5,000 years. Fact number 7. Some plants can regenerate. Some plants have the ability to regenerate, meaning they can regrow from a small piece of the plant. For example, the strawberry plant can regenerate from its runners, and the bamboo plant can regrow from its roots. Fact number 8. Some plants can change color. Some plants can change color depending on the amount of light they receive. For example, the leaves of the chameleon plant turn red in low light conditions, while they turn green in bright light. Fact number 9. Some plants have symbiotic relationships with other organisms. Some plants have developed relationships with other organisms that help them survive. For example, many plants have symbiotic relationships with fungi, which help them absorb nutrients from the soil. Some plants also have relationships with insects, such as ants, which protect the plant from predators in exchange for food. Fact number 10. Some plants can produce electricity. Believe it or not, some plants have the ability to produce electricity. This is called bioelectrogenesis, and it's been observed in certain species of algae and mosses. Researchers are currently studying the potential of these plants to be used as a source of renewable energy. So, these are just a few of the many interesting facts about plants. We hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.